How to create pricing table without coding in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add pricing table to your Shopify store without coding. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here on the left side of your screen. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can click edit theme. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now, let's say I want to add the pricing table here. So I'm gonna click add section in the template tab here. You can click on it, and then you can search custom for custom widget here. You can click on it. So now you can put the code or the HTML code to this table or this field. In order to do that, you can just go to elfsite.com and then sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widget here, and then you will find a lot of option here. So we'll find a pricing table here. If you scroll down, you can click on it. And then as you can see, you can just click create widget for free here. And then you will find a lot of templates or styles, so you can choose whatever you want that fits your needs. So let's say I want to this one. This is simple, so I'm gonna click add continue, and then you can customize it, the content. You can change the text here, you can edit, duplicate, hide, or others, so it's up to you. You can also choose the multiple tables mode if you want. So you can just click add, and then as you can see, this is the preview. So if you think it's good, all good, you can just click publish. And then you can choose the plan. I'm gonna choose the free one, so it's up to you. And now you have the code. You can just click copy the code and then back to the website editor and paste the code here. You can paste it and you can just wait a few seconds. And as you can see, it's like this, it's perfect. So you can customize it. You can also try another template or styles. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.